My people, there are levels to this marriage stuff. Oh. Billionaire lifestyle now over the top. Davido's friend Sosoberekun wedding is going down in Warri, Delta State, and you have to see the amount of celebrities, billionaires that has touched down Warri for this wedding. Now,
if you're ready, let me hear you say so. Let's go. Let's go.
Private jet they fly them come in like only the souvenirs for this wedding and a private jet bring and come drop. If you see as a private jet drop and they offload souvenirs for this wedding, it's a top-notch one. A wedding of billionaires. You have to see the amount of celebrities, billionaires that turned up for this wedding. It's going to be massive. The wedding preparation is already going down. You have to see Tenny and the whole lot of celebrities that's already on ground.
If you're ready, let me hear you say so. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Are we good? We're good, right? We go there.
Okay. Looking good.
Thank you.
God
So
bless.
remember to tell me.
Yo guys, you already know it's about to be the lifestyle shutdown. Keep it locked down on Rest TV for all the highlights. Let's go, let's go.
It's not complete without you. Oh God bless.
Danny.